Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad you're here. So today's video is a collab. If you want to know who it's with, stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so today's video is a collab with my fellow wig babes, Feebee-Rome. Like, girl, where do I even begin? Feebee is such a sweetheart. She is nice, like, and she's slayed. Like, every wig that she uploads, she is slaying, from her makeup, everything. Like, her, I'm like, sis, come do my hair and my makeup, because she's just that good, especially my makeup. Come do my makeup. Like, her looks are just awesome. She brings texture, different length. Like, do you see this? Like, do you see these clips? She just be doing her thing, yo. Girl, keep doing you, keep rocking. And if you also want to laugh, follow she and her husband channel, Phoebe and T Presents, I believe that's what it's called. But together they're really funny and they're cute. So definitely check her channel and let her know that Lee sent you. So today we're gonna be doing this review, this wig right here. And it's the Outre Perfect Hairline. Come on, focus. There you go. It's the Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Patrice. So the Perfect Hairline is supposed to be like, it's HD transparent lace, and it got the Faux Scalp. I don't know how I feel about that, because like the Faux Scalp, really, I don't think it's necessary. So I got in the color DRFF Cajun Spice. My camera is not trying to focus today. Yeah, and I got it from Elevate Style for $46. $46, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, that killed me. That really killed me, because I try not to spend that much money on a single wig. Like, I can get me 2 wigs for that price, so she better be worth it. You better be worth it, Patrice. But yeah, and y'all, I don't know what's going on with the post office. Like, this hair was supposed to arrive on the 9th, and I got it Saturday. Like, seriously, what are y'all doing? But in the book, it tells you all the different different way the perfect hairline is perfect, I get, and what is the Faux Scalp, what it looks like. And look at the model, she's rocking it, y'all. She's rocking it. She looks pretty. This is nice, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. So this is what she is looking like. I'm excited because I love Cajun Spice. Like, that color is just so sexy. I find it sexy. Ew. This is what she is looking like. Do you see that color? Oh, I love it already. And that's the Faux Scalp. I think this one, the Faux Scalp, kind of looks like it will match with my skin, which is not bad. But for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps and the elastic band, which is nice. I love the elastic band because it gives you that extra security. But ooh, I like it. So far so good. Let me put it on. I have a review of this hair. It should be up already. If it's not up, it's coming. Okay, so I'm gonna take her off and I'm gonna put on Patrice. So this is what she looks like straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to her. And that's the hairline. And you see that? You see right there? You can definitely see that faux scalp, which I don't know. I don't know. I like the length and I like the curls, everything. So far, I'm not getting, well, I'm getting few strands. And this is 13 by 4. So you got 13 by 4. So you can part it anywhere you want. Well, as you go further down, the space gets smaller, but you can definitely part it anywhere. Now, do I want to do a middle part or a side part? We'll see. But stay tuned for the lay down, the meltdown, or whatever, for the sledge. Okay, because that's what we about to do. We about to slay this babe right here. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna continue.
You watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make it worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. Let your colors burn now. I love you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the.
So this is what Patrice looks like after I cut the lace, try to blend the full scalp because I didn't want to cut it. I put a little bit of, I put my foundation and I put the tinted spray and I put my Maybelline Fit Me powder just to blend it in a little bit, and I think it looks better, just a little bit better. And that lace, like, do you see that? Do you like, where is the lace? If this false scalp wasn't there, you wouldn't even tell where the lace stops or where it begins. Like, see that? Like, I use a little bit of got to be glue just to glue the front down because I feel like it needed that little bit. But yeah, I like the color. I love the color. I like the length. It's very short and the curls is nice. With this and the price tag, you're paying for the full scalp, the perfect hairline. That's it. Other than that, it's nothing special about it. That price tag is too high up. But I got a little bit of shedding before I cut the lace, so that's not cool. It's like $44, $46. Honey, I don't want you to shed, okay? I don't want you to shed. And I like the, see, I didn't even glue this part down. But yeah, she looks nice. Will I repurchase her? Absolutely not. I won't. Not with that price tag. If it goes on sale, sure, yeah, because I love me a short hair. Short curly hair is my thing. I like it. So I'm going to do a 360 so you can see what she looks like. Yeah, so the top I had to use heat because one side was a little poofy and I didn't like that, so I use heat, apply a little bit of heat just to flatten it a little bit, and I like it. I definitely like the end result, and I like the hair, but I won't be repurchasing because of that price tag. That's about it. But yeah, so make sure you follow, you go check out my girl Feebee-Rome, tell her I sent you, subscribe to her channel, you know her, show her some love. Gotta share the Christmas love. And Merry Christmas, y'all, and I will see y'all in the new year. Bye.
It's a bad man.